Welcome to the Relationships Simulation. In this simulation, you'll determine which two plants are most closely related using their structure and molecular composition. To begin, select the Structural Relationships button. Observe and note the ID code on the top of the screen. Select each of the four buttons on the bottom of the screen to view various plant structures. The Plants button provides a visual of the entire above-ground part of the plant. The External button, a view of a typical leaf from each plant. The Internal button, a cross-sectional view of the plant stem. And the Seeds button displays an external view of each plant's seed. Select the Home button on the top left portion of the screen to return to the main menu. Choose the Molecular Relationships button to continue your investigation. Follow the on-screen instructions that appear after a brief delay to analyze an extract from each plant using paper chromatography. When done analyzing the plant extracts using paper chromatography, select the Enzyme button on the bottom of the screen. Again, follow the on-screen instructions that appear after a brief delay to analyze an extract from each plant for the presence of a particular enzyme. If the enzyme is present, bubbling will occur when the extract is placed on the indicator. No bubbling indicates that no enzyme was present. When done analyzing the plant extracts for the presence of an enzyme, select the Electrophoresis button on the bottom of the screen. Follow the on-screen instructions as usual to first apply a restriction enzyme to each plant extract, and then determine the size and location of DNA fragments cut by the enzyme. When done analyzing the plant extract's DNA fragments, select the Translation button on the bottom of the screen. Choose one of the plant's blue tabs. Select the space below the codon for the extracted DNA code and select the mRNA code from the provided list. Complete the mRNA code for all the codons for a given plant. Select the space below the codon for the amino acid that would be coded for that mRNA triplet. Use the table on the right to select the amino acid from the provided list. Complete the amino acid sequence for the entire plant extract. Select each of the blue tabs for the plants and repeat the coding of the mRNA and amino acid sequence for that plant.